Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to stay tuned for this look, this is my everyday makeup routine. Just stay tuned. I also was wondering if you guys would like a bun tutorial because I also recorded that as well. But if you guys want the bun tutorial, comment down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button and turn on my post notifications because I will be coming in with more videos.
I can't even tell you how the fuck you got me feeling. Purple, pink, silver sparkles in the sky, it glistens. Yeah, you take me all the way up, you take me high. When you look at me, I'm drowning, oh, I'm mesmerized. Escape, begging you to slow down, babe. Get a little smooth, babe. Should have been calling me. Thousand apologies. I know you're working late. Know your heart is skipping beats, begging you to slow down, babe. Get a little smooth.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button one time and put on my post notifications because I will be uploading for my babies. And yeah.